are in space and time. So ball therapy is wonderful, and a lot of people are like, Becky, how do you get the dogs on the ball? And I'm going to show you how I get the dog on the ball. But most of the dogs, once they get on there, really, really like it. So it feels really good. We can also do a really nice stretch of the spine. The spine does not have a good blood supply. So when you get the dogs on the ball, you're actually dilating the spine, which is very important to movement and just the health of the spine. So there's a lot of different things that we can do with ball therapy, and we use all different sizes of balls. So I'm going to use Mary Jane and Violet, and we're going to put Violet on the ball, and then we're going to demonstrate some therapy exercises that Mary Jane has been doing with Violet to strengthen her back end. Violet actually had a fracture. She had several injuries, and Mary Jane loves to do agility. She works agility with Dee, and she actually was in a demo earlier with her other dog, Sweet Bee. And Violet is back in agility. Mary Jane wasn't sure she was ever going to get her there again. And Violet's back in performing. So here we go. So first, this is actually Violet's first time for being on a ball. So we're going to get her, we're just going to get her comfortable with the front end. And we can get her to actually roll over the ball so she's have all four legs up and off the ground. We can roll them back, doing some hind end strengthening. You could actually put the dogs on top of the ball and work with them. That's where they're looking like this. So there's a lot of different aspects of ball therapy that we incorporate into rehabilitation to get animals moving and feeling better. It's a very, very useful tool for me. Okay, next we're going to show Violet doing some therapy exercises and some of the things. So with Violet, we were working on strengthening the back end. Now, Mary Jean's going to show you putting Violet. What do you want to do first? I'll have her back up. Okay.
So just so you know, her little butt this side used to be very underdeveloped. It's a lot better thanks to the exercises we're doing with Becky. Good job.
So in this particular exercise, Mary Jane's going to actually work with backing up Violet and then stepping up and touching an object. In this case, she's using a box. The other thing that we did with Violet is she wears leg weights that are made specifically for dogs to add a little of that strengthening for the musculature.
And then we did the sit stand.
Yeah, let's
stand. Sit, stand.
So this is a sit to stand. And a sit to stand is used in different aspects of therapy. One is that it's like doing a reverse push-up with the dog. So we can work on limb alignment, but we can also work on hind limb strengthening when they're just basically pushing up with those back legs.
And then we did this. Through. Sort of the figure eight.
So this is like a figure eight, and Mary Jean made it fun for Violet, going through her legs. So those are just a few of the different types of exercises that we'll incorporate with getting animals to be able to move better, feel better. I work with some of the peace of mind dogs, a lot of the older pets that have arthritis. There's nothing better than getting them into that warm water, getting them moving in a weightless situation, or getting them on a water treadmill.